Hello and welcome back to our channel everyone. Today, we are about to embark on a thrilling journey through the world of live music, as we explore the most grossing singers' world tours of all time. These tours not only left audiences in awe but also shattered records and redefined the music industry. World tours are the pinnacle of an artist's career, a chance to connect with fans on a global scale, and of course, to make a mark in the history books. The tours we're about to discuss weren't just about the music, they were grand spectacles, extravagant productions, and unprecedented successes. The impact of tours. Before we dive into the list of the most grossing singers' world tours, let's explore the significance of these tours in the music industry. They not only provide artists with a platform to showcase their talent but also serve as a major source of revenue. Top 10 Most Grossing Singers, World Tours. Now, let's get down to business and discover the top 10 most grossing singers' world tours of all time. Tour 1. U2360 Degrees Tour. At number 1 on our list is U2's 360 Degrees Tour, a groundbreaking tour that grossed an astonishing $736 million. The tour, spanning from 2009 to 2011, featured the iconic Claw stage, becoming one of the most memorable spectacles in concert history. Tour 2. The Rolling Stones A Bigger Bang Tour. The Rolling Stones take the second spot with their A Bigger Bang Tour, which raked in a jaw-dropping $558 million. From 2005 to 2007, this tour proved that rock and roll is far from fading. Tour 3. Coldplay A Head Full of Dreams Tour. Coming in at number 3 is Coldplay's A Head Full of Dreams Tour, which generated a remarkable $523 million. With its vibrant visuals and infectious music, this tour connected with audiences worldwide from 2016 to 2017. Tour 4. Madonna Sticky and Sweet Tour. The Sticky and Sweet Tour by Madonna earns the 4th spot on our list, grossing $408 million from 2008 to 2009. Madonna, the Queen of Pop, proved she still reigns supreme. Tour 5. Ed Sheeran Divide Tour. Ed Sheeran's Divide Tour is next, with an impressive gross of $360 million. His heartfelt performances resonated with fans from 2017 to 2019. Tour 6. Taylor Swift Reputation Stadium Tour. Taylor Swift's Reputation Stadium Tour claimed the 6th spot on our list, grossing an astounding $345 million. Swift's tour, which ran from 2018 to 2019, showcased her evolution as an artist and performer. Tour 7. Guns N' Roses Not in This Lifetime Tour. Guns N' Roses Not in This Lifetime Tour secured the 7th position with a gross of $330 million. This tour, which commenced in 2016 and is still ongoing, marked the reunion of the classic lineup and was a dream come true for fans. Tour 8. Beyoncé The Formation World Tour. Beyoncé's The Formation World Tour is next on our list, with a phenomenal gross of $256 million. From 2016 to 2017, Queen Bey dazzled audiences with her unmatched talent and commanding stage presence. Tour 9. Roger Waters The Wall Live. Roger Waters, The Wall Live Tour ranks 9th, grossing an impressive $229 million. The tour, which ran from 2010 to 2013, brought Pink Floyd's iconic album, The Wall, to life in a visually stunning and emotionally charged experience. Tour 10. Bruce Springsteen The River Tour. We round off our list with Bruce Springsteen's The River Tour, which grossed $232 million from 2016 to 2017. The boss proved that his timeless music still resonates with fans around the world. The legacy. The most grossing singers' world tours aren't just about the numbers. They represent the power of music to unite, inspire, and entertain. These tours have brought people together, created unforgettable memories, and cemented the legacies of the artists who embarked on these extraordinary journeys. And there you have it, the top 10 most grossing singers' world tours of all time. These tours have not only left an indelible mark on the music industry but have also shown us the sheer scale of success that can be achieved through talent, hard work, and a passion for performing. If you enjoyed this exploration of music history, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more captivating stories of music, art, and culture. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.